You're going to put your right leg straight, roll, and that's it. Easy to do, and it's difficult to escape. Okay? Of course, this stroke, not a lot of people know this stroke here. Okay? But you know because you are my student. So, drop the collar, now drop the collar from underneath the armpits. Okay? I'm going to put my left leg straight, I'm going to roll, and that's it. I'm going to squeeze. Left leg around the left arm around the neck, the right arm underneath the armpits, and you hold the other collar. The right leg goes straight, you roll, and that's it. Number one, number two, and three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Of course, if you grab here, it's not going to work.